Bonjour. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, madame. Merci.
D'accord, d'accord. Bonjour, bonjour. Okay, all of you keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on. Keep your camera on. All of you.
Ma'am, I'm
Please.
sick and I'm affected with COVID.
Pardon?
Ma'am, I'm sick. Ma'am, I am affected with corona.
Okay, Shreya. Okay. It's
Ma'am, not
Shreya,
Shreya,
right?
Cheryl.
No,
Ma'am,
Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Cheryl. Oh, Cheryl. Okay, okay. So you affected with corona by when? By which time?
Last Sunday. I think
Last
so.
Sunday. Now, how are you?
Ma'am, now I'm feeling much better than Sunday.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Cheryl. Okay, Cheryl. You can, if you want, you can keep your camera off if you want. Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
Ma'am.
Okay. Then everyone got your answer sheets. Is there anyone who didn't get the answer sheet of the test paper? Which one I corrected?
Ma'am, we
All
got
of you got your marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got. Okay, only few. I think they wrote the exam, but they didn't send me the answer sheets. Alim, I didn't get your answer sheet, and then Praveen, I didn't get your answer sheet. Rohit, I didn't get his answer sheet. Okay, so these students, I don't have the answer sheet, so I couldn't give you marks. If there is anyone who didn't get the who didn't get your mark, you can message me after the class. I will give your marks. Okay. Then let's discuss. We.
Ma'am, I am John. Ma'am, which chapter are you taking now?
John, I am taking lesson lesson one. Lesson one. John, you are in this class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
New student? Not right?
No, ma'am.
John Sebi, right?
Ma'am, I was affected.
He was affected by corona.
Okay, so you are also absent for many classes, right? For more.
Ma'am.
Okay, okay. You didn't write the exam, right? Test paper, you didn't write, right? Okay, okay. So let's discuss the answers. So first one, translate the following to French. First one, hi in French. How will you say hi in French?
Salut.
Salut. Right. Hi in French is salut. And when you write salut, you can see even though even though you wrote all the answers, salut and answered for 3, I reduced half mark. I will tell you why. Salut. The spelling is S-A-L-U-T. Salut spelling S-A-L-U-T. Then only this much you have to write here.
No, ma'am, exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark. Yes, exclamation mark is needed here. Exclamation mark. If you don't put that exclamation, who's that?
Ma'am, I'm Angelina Jose. I was just late. So you are just discussing that.
Yeah,
question
we are just
paper?
discussing the answers. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I
So
got the
salut,
mark,
when
ma'am.
you write, it's a greeting and you have to put the exclamation mark there. So most of you, if you are not, if you didn't put the exclamation mark, I have reduced mark. So keep in mind, when you greet someone, when you are greeting, you have to put the exclamation mark. Then second one, how are you? How are you to a friend? So to how are you to a friend, you can't write como allez-vous. 2 answers you can write. One is como
Comment ça va? And ça va.
M-M-E-N-T. Como sa. Sa is having
C'est dire. The accent, c'est dire. Ma'am, she is having
Savage.
accent, c'est dire.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. She is having laxosedil there. She is having laxosedil. You have to put this accent. Sa
Yes,
and
ma'am.
ba. Put a
Sa.
question mark. Here, this one is a question. How are you? It's a
ma'am.
question. You have to
Como
put
ça va?
here question mark.
Or
Or else you
ça va.
can write.
Or ça
Which
va.
one?
Ça va.
Sava.
Sava. You can write Sava. If you write like
Question
only
mark.
this, if you wrote this, I didn't give any mark, then
Yes,
that
ma'am,
means
because
that
it
is
means
no,
fine.
yeah. You have to put the question mark there.
Mark. Then only it can be a
You-
question. Otherwise, we will tell fine like that.
Yes, then only it will be a question. Otherwise, it is a It is not a question.
Reply.
It is an reply.
Yes, otherwise it will be a reply. How fine, I am fine. You have to put here question mark here.
Then only it means how are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I don't know why this.
Yeah,
Then only it
something,
will be a.
it's being low.
I am trying to write, but
Ma'am, I think you have to share the board again.
wait, no.
Ma'am, you just say or like
Say the
that.
answers.
Yeah, ma'am.
Wait.
Good evening. Next question, ma'am.
So you have to put here question mark.
Ma'am, you can. Ma'am,
Again, okay. So I will just say the answers. Then good evening. It is bonsoir. bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Exclamation mark.
Bonsoir.
Exclamation mark is needed. So if you don't put exclamation mark, question mark, I will reduce the mark there. Next time onwards for the exams, if you are writing the answer for how are you or question mark is
Ma'am, I
needed.
have
If it is a greeting, exclamation mark is needed.
I
Then the
have
second
done,
section, write the meaning of the following words. And this one most of you got 3 out of 3 for
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Ibu is owl.
Owl.
Rod, meal,
Honey.
wash,
Cow.
Okay, right. Then third one, rewrite the words with the missing accents. Rewrite the words
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
missing accents.
Zebra.
Zebra is the first word. Zebra is having which accent?
Laxograph.
Laxograph.
Laxograph. Laxograph is like this.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Laxograph
I
is
got a
like this.
mistake
If you will write laxograph like this, any mark. If you write like this, I won't give any mark. This is one for me. This is not accent.
Ma'am, we can't see your writing.
You can't see my writings?
Ma'am, can you stop share and share?
Yeah, sure. Wait.
cannot see zebra. That
first
questions we
Wait.
Ma'am, I got that wrong, ma'am. I didn't check the pronunciation.
D'accord.
Ma'am, I got full correct.
Now can you see my screen at least?
Yes.
Okay, you can see my screen. Can you see zebra now? No.
No, madam.
Ma'am, you can upload in the
Chat box, okay, chat box also I won't be able to wait.
Microsoft Print.
Okay, wait. I will do.
Ma'am, you can upload in the easy board. Easy board is not available.
Can
Please
we
wait,
say
please
the
wait.
question?
And that's enough. Zebra. For zebra, word is like this. Axograph is the answer for zebra. Laxograph. If you write the accent like this, I won't be able to give any mark. If you write your axograph like this, I won't be able to give any mark. Axograph should be like this. Slanting position should be like the zebra. Then the next word was
Baby.
baby. Baby is having which accent, baby?
Laxo.
Laxo-ague. Accent is like this. Laxo-ague.
Laxo-ague.
Accent is like this. Again, if you write like this, no
Just the
marks.
opposite of laxograph.
Baby.
Yes. Baby, you are right. Then the third one.
Noel.
Noel. N-O-E-L. Laxothrema is for E. Yes, laxothrema 2 dot is for E, not for O. Few have written, few have put threma for, few have put this threma for O. That is also wrong. Threma is for E.
Yeah, ma'am. I put
No,
correct
yell.
one.
For pronunciation.
Then the third, last one.
Garso.
Garso.
So, D-A-R-C with
Laxosedil.
Laxosedil. Yes, laxosedil is like this.
Yes.
Laxosedil is like this. If you have written laxosedil like this, listen. If you have written laxosedil like this and like this, then if you have written like this, no marks for them. Laxosedil should be properly like this. Okay. So next time onwards, when you write the test paper, make sure when you write, make sure you are writing these accents properly.
Oui, madam.
D'accord.
D'accord, madam.
Now, in the textbook, we were doing the exercises right in this chapter, right? Exercises.
Now you said that
Yes,
Just
homework.
to do the exercise.
Homework I gave. Okay, we
Yes,
started
ma'am.
doing the exercises in this chapter, and after that, I gave you two homeworks also.
Page number 20.
Ma'am, can we say the
Excuse me,
answer?
Mohammadan, we will start.
We will discuss the answers first. We will discuss the and before
Yes,
that, wait.
27 and 28.
Oh, we already discussed the answers of exercise 1 and 2, right? Exercise 1 and 2.
No, we did not just started the
Okay. We'll do that exercises first. Page number 25, all of you. Page number 25. Those who have textbook, take page number 25. It's first exercise. Tick the correct answers.
Yes.
Tick the correct answers.
ma'am.
We, ma'am.
Okay, I will call the names. Okay, they have to answer. I will call by name. Only they have to answer. Others can mute. Others can mute. So, how would you greet your teachers? Cheryl, can you answer, dear Cheryl? How would you greet your teacher?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, très bien. To greet your teachers, you have to say bonjour. So, you can put tick for the first one. Bonjour.
Ma'am, not the first one, the second one.
Yeah, sorry, second one.
ma'am,
You can put tick for the second one. Put tick for the second one.
ma'am.
Okay.
If I put tick here, will you able to see?
No, ma'am, we are not able to see nothing.
Ma'am, you just
Okay.
say the answer, ma'am.
It's okay, right? Bonjour. And you can see in my screen. You can see in my screen. I have tick put for bonjour.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 25. Page number 25.
Excuse me,
And the second one, how would you greet your friends? How would you greet your friends?
Salute. Third one.
Wait.
ma'am, excuse me, Mohammadan. In the page, there is one message, ma'am. Restore pages. Microsoft Edge closed unexpectedly like that.
Okay.
Make like the restore
Actually, there should be a pen like symbol here. I'm not able to find that symbol. Okay. How would you greet your friends? And Adinath is Nair. Adinath, how would you greet your friends?
Salute.
Salute. To greet your friends, it is salute. Put tick for the third box. Salute. Then the third one. When you go to someone's house at night, you say, Tanya, when you go to someone's house at night, you say, Bonnui is the wrong answer. Bonnui is the wrong answer. Angelina.
What can I say?
Angelina Martin.
Oui, madame.
Hmm.
The answer is bonsoir.
We answer is bonsoir. Bonsoir. Tanya, you thought it is night, so it will be bonne nuit, good night. You are right answer. You thought it's night, so you will say good night. But the question, you have to read the question carefully. The question is, when you go to someone's house at night, you say, so you go to your uncle's house. You think that you go to your uncle's house. When you meet your uncle, first what you will say? You will say good night, uncle.
No, ma'am.
No, first to go there, you will say good evening, uncle. And when you come back from there, when you leave from there, that time you will say good night. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So read the question carefully. They might give questions like this to trick you. Okay. So when just seeing the word night, just seeing the word evening, you can't choose your answers like that. So read the question properly. So it can be like the question can be like this also. When you leave from someone's house at night, you say, that time you can say good night. When you leave from someone's house at night. But when you go, you have your answer will be bonsoir, good evening. I hope this one is clear.
Oui, madam.
You wrote bonne nuit. Yeah. Now you understood the answer is not bonne nuit. Answer is bonsoir.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Then the fourth one, what would you say to an older person? What would you say to an older person, Gautam?
Ma'am, it is Komazalevu.
Komozalevu. First one, Komozalevu. Trebia, Gautam. Then the fifth one, while leaving someone, you say, Pavitra,
Yes, ma'am.
while leaving someone, you say,
Au revoir.
au revoir. Trebia, Pavitra. C is the answer, au revoir. Then the second one, correct the spellings. Second exercise, correct the spellings. 1 to 5 words are there. All of you, everyone in your textbook, write with your pencil. Correct the spelling. Spelling mistake is there. Everyone have to write in your textbook, and then we will discuss the answers. All of you, when you write exercises in your textbook, always use pencil. Don't use pen. Otherwise, if there is mistake is there, then you have to cut with your pen.
Ma'am, I used
I have
pen
written,
this
ma'am.
time.
Next time onwards, or not next time. Now onwards, you are going to write with your pencil. From
Ma'am,
now
I
onwards.
finished that exercise, ma'am.
Okay. So always in other subjects also, don't use pencil to write your exercise. If mistake is there, you have to cut everywhere. You have to, then that won't be looking nice. So please use pencil.
You have to write pens.
You have to use your pencil.
Yeah, ma'am, when I wrote it was not neat.
Okay. So use your pencil. Correct the spelling. First one, Komosava is there, Radhama is there, Salyu, Oruva, Bunui. Write the proper spelling.
I
I finished, ma'am.
Okay. We'll discuss. Wait,
Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, can I
Okay,
say
we'll
that?
discuss the answers. We'll discuss the answers, and I want all of you to keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on, everyone. Tania, Ayman.
Ma'am, I could not on the camera because Zoom is showing camera is not supported.
My mother's home.
Ma'am, I finished five questions.
Okay, you finished. Okay, we'll discuss the answers. Then
Yes,
now
ma'am.
I stopped sharing my screen. I want to use the keyboard. Okay. So first one is Komosava.
Komosava.
Angelina, give me the spelling of Komosava.
Which
Angelina Jose. First one. Komosava. How will you
yes,
write?
ma'am.
Say
O
O
M
M
M
M
U
I
N
N
T
A
say Sava.
Hmm.
Ma'am means C and
Which
axo.
accent? Which accent?
Sedil.
Axon? Sedil. Trebia. Axo sedil.
Then
A.
V
Ve.
A.
A. Komosava.
Then question mark.
Question mark. D'accord. Then the second one. Ayman. Second one answer.
Adama.
Adama. Spelling.
A.
A in French. Pronunciation of how Angelina
A.
did. Like Angelina did. Yeah. We are.
Axongrau.
Axograu. Trebia.
Da.
De.
De.
U.
M.
M.
A.
A.
E.
E.
N.
N. That much?
Yes, ma'am.
Exclamation mark.
also.
Exclamation mark. D'accord. Third one. Third one, Rudra. Third one.
Third one, ma'am. Salyu. S.
S.
A.
A.
L.
L.
U.
U. Not U. U.
U.
U. T.
Hey. That much?
Exclamatory mark.
Exclamation mark. D'accord. Then fourth one, answer by Shreya. Fourth one.
Madam.
A.
U.
U,
air,
air,
you,
U,
way,
way,
u,
O,
o, e,
E, it's E, R, air, E, V, O,
yeah,
I in French is E.
Yeah, ma'am. She
E.
told ma'am.
Okay, she told you. Then
air,
air,
exclamation mark.
exclamation mark. Dako. Then the fifth one, agony. Fifth one,
Oi, madam. B
bay,
O
O,
N
N,
N
N,
E I
U,
N
N,
U
U,
E
E,
T
T,
exclamation mark.
exclamation mark. Okay. So spellings you got now. Then the third exercise, help Didu to greet these people. Help Didu to greet these people. Wait.
Ma'am, who is Dido?
Didu is, you can see one mouse there.
Ma'am, you told.
Yeah, the name of this mouse is Dido. The name of this mouse is Dido. So we are in this chapter, actually, we are going to learn French along with Dido. Dido is just joined in the school and he wants to learn French. The textbook is prepared like that.
Also, it's per William Bojo.
Okay, so in the first one, we have to help Dido to greet these people. So first, in the first picture, what you can see here, Dido is greeting a elder woman. So how will he greet her? Bonjour. No, he is not asking question. He is giving a bouquet and greeting her. Bonjour, madame. Write the spelling properly. Bonjour, madame. M-A-D-A-M-E, madame.
Yes, ma'am.
Bonjour, madame.
N-G-O.
Exclamation mark also.
Exclamation mark also needed. Très bien. B-O-N-J-O-U-R. Bonjour, madame. M-A-D-A-M-E, madame. M-E, madame. Exclamation mark. Then the next one, second picture, what you can see there, he is greeting a sir. Let me ask. Wait. Please answer. Anandesh.
Yeah.
In one, tell me how will Dido greet the elder person?
Ma'am, bonjour, monsieur.
Oui, très bien. Bonjour, monsieur. B-O-N-J-O-U-R. Bonjour.
Ma'am, it's not J, ma'am, G.
G. Then the next one, monsieur. M-O-N-S. E-U-R. Monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Exclamation mark. Then the third one, Dido is greeting a cute little friend. So how will you greet her?
Salute.
Salute. Manu, can you give me the spelling?
But we can also use Thomas Hover, right?
No, that Dido is greeting, not asking how are you. He's greeting her with the bouquet.
Ma'am,
Yes, Manu.
S
Hmm? Hmm?
L
Hmm? You, te.
You.
With an exclamation mark. Then the fourth picture, in the fourth picture, Dido is saying, what is doing in the fourth one? They are saying goodbye to each other. So it is au revoir. Au revoir. Write the
And
spelling
an exclamation mark.
with an exclamation mark.
Yes, ma'am.
Au revoir. Now that exclamation mark. Everyone, if it is a greeting or if you are saying it a goodbye, you have to use exclamation mark. Au revoir. Then in the fifth picture, what is the fifth picture?
Welcoming people. Welcoming.
It can be, it can be saying goodbye. See, they are at the doorstep. It can be a goodbye or it's night. So it can be good night also. So any one you can write. Au revoir.
Bonne nuit.
Also you can write. Au revoir you can write. Bonne nuit also you can write.
I wrote bonne nuit.
Ma'am,
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, it can be bienvenue.
Bienvenue? No, it can't be bienvenue. Both are saying actually goodbye. You can see both are. In the next picture, we can see there. In the next picture, you can see. Next picture, it's night, and they are shaking their hands. That means that Dido is just reached that house, and they are welcoming. One is welcoming, and one is saying good evening. Yes. Answer will be bonsoir and bienvenue. Bonsoir and bienvenue. They are one is welcoming and one is saying bonsoir. So it can be bienvenue and also it can be
Ma'am, we can
bonsoir.
write anyone. Ma'am, we can
Actually,
write
Dido, wait, don't write bienvenue. Dido is going to that house. We have to help Dido to greet, right? So Dido is saying there bonsoir.
ma'am. So
Dido
we
is
should
saying
just
there
write bonsoir.
bonsoir. Answer for fifth one is
Madam.
au revoir or bonne nuit.
Au revoir.
Answer for fifth one is au revoir or bonne nuit. And answer for the sixth one is bonsoir.
Excuse me,
Okay.
madam.
Then I asked you to do the homework. That is match the column.
Oui, madam.
So first for match the following. That is in page number 27.
Bye.
Yeah. First one is goodbye. Goodbye will match with. Wait. I don't want mass answers. Please mute. I don't want mass answers. I will call. Okay. Adil, goodbye will match with.
For fifth one.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Goodbye is au revoir. Match one with F. Au revoir. Then the second one. Richard. Second one. Good morning.
Good morning, bonjour.
Bonjour. Right. Then third one.
Fifth one.
Wait. Third one. Answer for Richard. Answer for
Exercise 3, fifth one.
fifth one is au revoir or bonne nuit. Then after Richard, then next is Ambrose. Answer for third one. Good night. Ambrose, third one answer. Good night. Are you saying something? No. No, I think he's having a network issue. Rizine, third one.
Yes, ma'am. Oui, madam. Bienvenue.
Bienvenue. Third one, good night is bienvenue. Then fourth one, good evening. Bonne nuit. That's only more. That's not bienvenue. Good night is bonne nuit. Good night is bonne nuit. Ambrose?
Not Ambrose, ma'am.
That was?
Rizine.
Rizine, good night. Third one, Rizine is third one, good night is bonne nuit. Then the fourth one, good evening is
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
bonsoir. Fourth one, good evening is bonsoir. Fifth one, welcome. Bienvenue.
Avenue.
Welcome
Sixth
is
one,
bienvenue. And sixth one, sixth one. Salute.
Me, madam.
Then one more exercise. We.
Ma'am, haven't put the exclamation mark there, ma'am. So can we put there
Where?
in the column B? We have told
When you write in the textbook, in the textbook you can just ignore that. But when you write in your exam, put the exclamation marks. Then the fifth one, match the questions and answers. Question is given in one side and you have to match with its reply. Sava. First question is Sava. How will you reply? No.
Comme si,
Comme si, comme ça.
because there is another one, ma'am.
It will be comme si, comme ça.
Yes, ma'am.
For Sava, it will be comme si, comme ça. And
Yes.
then for Como allez-vous, it will be
Ça va bien, mon
Mercy. Yes. So keep in mind, for Como allez-vous, reply will be Ça va bien, merci. And for
Oui, ma'am.
Sava, question will be and reply will be comme si, comme ça. Or we can say if
Oui,
if
ma'am.
here we have Sava, you can choose that one also. But here we don't have now. Then the third one, Salut Dido.
Salut.
Salut. Reply will be Salut. Au revoir Dido.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Easy only. Easy. Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit,
Oui, monsieur.
Oui, monsieur.
Bonjour Dido.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Oui, that's it. Yes, that much. Okay. Remaining exercise we will do in the next week. Now I'll just quickly take the attendance.